Hello and welcome back to the Adja channel. Today we're going to look at how you can format cells within Excel to improve their readability and how they look. Here we have a small sample table that we'll use for the examples. The first thing I'm going to do is change the alignment of the text within the cells so that it is easier to read. To change the alignment of text within cells, we need to be on the Home ribbon, and we have 4 options here to change this. So I'm going to select this data here. I want to align it centrally, like so. I'm also going to do the same for this text and this text. We can also do that with our headings as well to improve how they look. It is also possible to rotate the text within a cell. To do this, we use this function here, orientation, which is AB with a diagonally up pointing arrow. If we choose our drop down, we have a few options of how we want to orientate the text, and I'm going to select angle anti-clockwise, and this changes the orientation of our text. We also might want to bold our header, so we can select the text and put bold, like so. And we may also want to increase the font size. To increase font size, we can use the up and down functions here, so the big A with the up arrow to increase it, the small a with the down arrow to decrease it, or we can choose a specific font size. Here I'm going to choose 12. We may also want to put borders around our table. To do this, we use the border function, which is shown by a square with 4 quadrants, again on the Home tab of the ribbon. If I select the table, go to the border function, choose the drop down arrow, and I'm going to select all borders, and this puts a border around our table. We may want to highlight cells to call out specific information. For example, the grass-scented candle is out of stock, so we may want to make this cell red so that's clear to the reader. If we select our cell here, E5, we can then go to the bucket on the ribbon, select the drop-down arrow, and I'm going to choose a red colour to fill that in. We could also do that with the text. Here, these candles that are in stock, we may want to highlight these as green. We could do this with just the text. Again, if we highlight the cells, then we want to use the A at the top with the drop-down arrow. We can choose a nice green to highlight that these are in stock. We may also want to change individual borders. So here, for the scents, apple and grass, we could make them green to highlight their scent. So if we highlight the cells, if we go to the border tool, we can choose a line colour of green. This gives us the pencil tool, but if we hit escape, we can then highlight the cells again, choose the border, and that will then make them green. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.